Hello everyone, it's time for a check of this Monday's weather conditions, and after a few light showers early in the day along the south coast, it's going to be drier over the area for the afternoon. And as this high pressure system remains in place over the southern and eastern parts, it helps to push in moisture into the low veld and KZN. Those areas remaining cloudy for today, where there is still a possibility for light rain all the way through to this evening. Some of that moisture will have spilled over onto the high veld. That could bring about a few thunder showers to the northwest, the Free State, as well as in Gauteng, while over the western parts of the country it's going to be mostly clear and dry, and it's going to be a warm to hot day near the Atlantic coastline. A couple of alerts for today, both of them are watches. The first is for the possibility of a couple of severe thunderstorms that could develop around Gauteng and the surrounding areas. And there is a watch in place for the continuation of storm surge conditions along the Eastern Cape coastline between Plettenberg Bay and Port Elizabeth. This is due to the combination of a heavy swell as well as a higher than normal tide that is expected over the area for this afternoon. The rainfall probability map shows thunder showers becoming scattered for some areas in the northwest, Limpopo, Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld, while to the east of that, rain is expected along the escarpment into the Lowveld and all across KZN. Light showers along the south coast, including around Port Elizabeth, but as we've seen, those will be clearing out for the afternoon. Up in the northern parts, it remains hot in the northwest, while much cooler areas in circulation for Polokwane, Bombela, as well as Ermelo, and in the Lowveld, Palabor with a high of 21 degrees. Cooler once again in KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, while in the Free State some areas are going to be hot, including Bloemfontein reaching a high of 30. Southerly to southwesterly winds all across our eastern coastline, fresh at times for some areas, and a 3.5 metre swell will reach the KZN coastline. Places over the southern interior get into the mid-20s, while Vredendal near the west coast reaches a maximum of 35. And it's going to be another very cool day along the south coast, most areas remaining below 20 degrees, but a little bit warmer for Hermanus as well as Muizenberg, where strong southeasterly winds are expected for the day. Hot for Uppington in the Northern Cape, but mild for Sutherland with a maximum of 24. And along the western coastline, we see a jump in temperature over these areas, 30 degrees for Alexander Bay, while Cape Town gets to a comfortable 27. Still quite windy in the area, a southeasterly wind at 40 kilometers per hour. Along with this, we still have a big swell, 4.5 meters, coming in from the southwest. As we head into Tuesday, we're expecting thunder showers to return to Kimberley as well as Bloemfontein, remaining very cloudy over the eastern parts with light rain, but it's going to be a sunny and hotter day for the Western Cape.